Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. I'm back with our 11th day in the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and I got a special guest today. Look who's here. It's Colin.
Hey, everybody.
Anyway, we've got an incredibly cool prize for you today, and I'll show you that in a minute. It's a mystery prize. But first, we thought we tell jokes every day, and I thought today it might be kind of fun if we do a little bit of a joke-orama, which means he's going to tell a joke to try to make me laugh. I'm going to tell a better joke and try to make him laugh, and we'll see how it goes. Are you ready?
We'll see about
All
that.
right, good.
Yeah.
You're going to get a couple
I've
of
got
jokes
some good
here.
ones this
All right,
year.
good. Here, I got to get my paper. Hold on.
All right.
All right, go. Do you want to go first? Or you want me to go first?
I'll go first. I'll go first.
All right, you go first. I'm going to keep a straight face. So let me sober up.
All right. Okay, here we go.
Good.
Why did the Christmas ornament go to college?
I have no idea.
Because he wanted to get brighter.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. All right, here's my first one. You ready? What nationality is Santa Claus?
I don't know.
North Polish. All right, what else you got? Come on, bring it on. That first one was lame. Give me another
All right,
one.
what do you call a singing elf?
I don't know.
A rapper.
All right. Well, what do you call a very old snowman?
Melted snow?
Nope, a puddle. You're close.
I was close.
You're close to that
I
one.
was getting
All right,
there.
what else you got? Come on, make it good. This is your last one.
I got a snowman one for you, too. Why was the snowman rifling through the carrots?
I don't know.
He was picking his nose.
We should have ended on that one, but I got one more for you.
All right, let me hear
All
it.
right. Why did the gingerbread man go to the doctor?
I don't know.
He was feeling crumby. Merry Christmas.
You can do better than
Anyway,
that.
on the 11th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new DJI Osmo Action 3, and it's the Explorer Pack. You get everything that's in here. It's an unbelievably cool action camera. So you're going to have the action camera. You're going to get the stick, the selfie stick, which is invisible. You're also going to get the battery charger.
I was
You can
gonna
put three
say,
there's three batteries.
looks like a
fit in.
whole kit.
There's a whole kit, the
Yeah.
whole thing, and it's fantastic. It's got the screen on the front. They were the first guys to do that, by the way, and I love this product. I've been using it ever since the product was released. I've done a ton of videos. I've done videos of you
Of
with
course,
this.
yeah, I've
Unbelievable.
seen you use it.
You can take it outside. It's submersible in water. It's completely weatherproof, and it's
Wow.
the perfect gift if you want to record any kind of video footage with your family. You're going on vacation. You got a lot of action stuff. I don't do a lot of action stuff anymore. You going on a skateboard, though, right?
Oh, yeah.
You're out there on a skateboard.
Riding the bike and stuff?
Riding the
Sure,
bike, sure.
yeah.
I don't do any of that. I walk. For me, action is like walking fast. That's all I got. I got nothing
Fair
left.
enough.
But anyway, we're giving this one away, and the contest could not be simpler. Like I say every time, if you look down below, there's a link down there, and it says, please enter the contest here. Click that link. A form will pop up. You put your email in there, your YouTube username in there, and that way we have two ways to get a hold of you. We'll send you an email if you win. We're going to pull a winner out after 7 days. That winner's going to get an email from us that says, hey, good news, you won the Action 3. Send us your address, and we'll ship it to you free of charge. We don't charge for shipping. We don't
Simple
charge
as
for
that.
anything. Simple as that. And you could live anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world. We don't even care. Now, here's an interesting town. I thought about this, and I wanted to find one that was really interesting. Did you know there's a town named Y in
Y?
Arizona? Y.
W-H-Y?
Y, Arizona. Right.
Well,
Why
why?
would you not change it? Right. I know. First of all, where did that come from?
Yeah.
And why wouldn't you change the name? But then it got me thinking, well, if there's a Y, is there a why not?
There has
And
to be.
sure enough, there is in North Carolina. So I don't know if they know these guys, but why not get together,
With
change
some-
those names?
some sister cities.
It's just goofy.
Yeah.
Get those names changed. And if you live there, I'm not picking on you. I'm just thinking there has to be a mayor in both of those cities that should be looking at this. But you could live in Y or why not. We don't care. We put it in a box. We ship it to you free of charge. And all we want to do is make people happy. That's it. You guys have been such big supporters of the channel all year. We've had a good year, haven't we? Out there flying drones, playing with technology.
Oh, yeah. We love the Christmas season,
Yeah, we
too.
just love the Christmas season. We just want to give back to you because there's nothing like having your family home for the holidays and everybody gets to eat some cake and some great dinners and stuff and just play cards and all the rest of it. We just love it. It's just a wonderful time. So thank you so much for watching. Please enter the contest. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down there and join the Drone Valley family because we got so much more stuff going. And by the way, tomorrow's day 12. And I cannot tell you how impressive this prize is going to be. This one's amazing. Absolutely amazing from our good friends
How
over
could
at
it be better than
DJI.
this?
Thank you, DJI, for this. Tomorrow, unbelievable gift. I can't get past it. So it's going to be exciting. And we may have another special guest, too. So who knows? Stay tuned for that. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks an awful for watching. And until next time, as always, happy flying.
Take care, everybody.